You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce this word from Italian and more interesting names and words from arts that many get wrong, so stay tuned to learn more. So in Italian it is said as pietà, meaning piety, pietà, with a stress on that second ta syllable. There's normally an accent actually in Italian on the A, indicating the stress. Pietà, the name of that famous sculpture from Michelangelo, Pietà. And now you know more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video, it helps me a lot. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Grazie mille. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.